Sunday the 26th of May 2024, and we are just about to leave to go to Heathrow as we are going to Los Angeles. My old man's picking us up, should be here any minute. The kids are going to Skegness for the week with Donna's mum, so I decided we'll go to Los Angeles.
Get out of this weather.
Yeah, get out of the weather, look. Grey. Just on the way to Heathrow in the old man's taxi.
Good morning everybody, how are we?
Making your YouTube debut on the channel.
I'm completely honoured.
What a day to be leaving England. It's fucking minging. You've been to LA a couple of times. What is your favourite thing about LA?
The Rainbow Bar and Grill.
Right, Dons?
Yeah. Could be worse. I don't know.
Just had some food and drinks in the #1 lounge. A nice bar. We're in bougie Terminal 3. All the designer shops that we won't be shopping in.
Do you know what I think they should get here? A bargain booze. So you could just get a load of cans for the flight.
Well, you get them for free on there anyway. Oh, look at those.
Yeah, but I want them like 8 to go.
So we're off to WH Smith to get a meal deal. Some snacks and magazines for on the plane. And 10 AM we can see which gate we're
10 AM now.
going from, so we'll have a little mooch at that now. Where is the gate thing? Gate 25.
25.
Not much room.
Just in our little tube. Well.
Yeah, there would usually be a chair there, but we've got a little tube, but they're still little. It's a full, well not full, but busy flight. Oh, the bodyguards in there as well.
Ooh. Come on, Matt. Mr. Olympia.
Oh, bring it on! Oh, that is so old school. I might watch that. Loads of different ones. They're a bit slow and there's not much room. Trays don't go right down, but we'll see what it's like. He's happy with the lemon cake.
American are just starting to redeem themselves. Got a bit of a rocky start. No headphones, and the drinks took forever, but that cake alone. Let's just come on. haven't want to be favourites at all.
Never in my life do I want to see that man again, ever. Absolute pain in the ass. Oh, I'm out of breath. But we've touched down.
Back in the best country in the world.
The LAX.
Let's go get a burger.
Hopefully won't be stuck in security for hours. Fingers crossed.
Let's talk about the flight, Don. American Airlines from Heathrow to LAX. How'd you get on?
I wouldn't want to rush back. I hope we am not with them on the way back. I hope it's BA.
It wasn't great, was it? To be fair, well, it weren't bad, but
no, it weren't terrible. It just got off to a bad start. They ran out of headphones, so I literally had a little meltdown and had a little cry because I thought, fuck, I'm going to have to sit here for 11 hours and sit in silence, basically.
Yeah. There weren't loads of space either, was there?
No, and Fred paid extra for us to have a row of 2 where 3 is. So we just assumed that we'd have the room of 3 in 2 seats, but actually it was just 2 tight seats, wasn't it? It was smaller than the BA.
Like you put the tray table down and it didn't even go all the way down because it was just like your knees were in the way.
You felt high up in the chair,
yeah.
And the room, yeah, like BA, definitely the room is, the leg room and everything. I wasn't overly impressed, although it wasn't too bad, as in time-wise, didn't feel too long, did it?
Yeah, service weren't too bad.
Well, they didn't really come round with drink.
No.
They came round with food and drink when we first got on, and then didn't bring the cart back round again, did they? Obviously, you could
just go up and ask.
Go up and ask, but
and there was an absolute prick in front of us, wasn't there?
Awful, awful guy. Was just moaning, kicking off about everything, rude to all the staff.
Yeah.
And sat right in front of us. And yeah, like I said before, I don't ever want to see or hear his voice again.
Yeah, he's a dickhead.
He was horrible.
Yeah.
And hopefully it's not on the flight back.
Hopefully not. Anyway, In-N-Out burger out of 10?
5.
Yeah, I'd have gone 5.
It's all the hype really, isn't it? Like, and this is a cool place. You could sit here all day and watch the planes and stuff.
Location, 10 out of 10. Actual burger.
The fries are, the animal fries are better than
they're pretty
the
good.
animal burger.
Yeah. Okay, agreed. So we'll get this and then head up to the hotel. Go do a bit of shopping, Trader Joe's. Let me come on the camera for a minute.
Yeah.
Trader Joe's,
CVS,
and then maybe have a pint in the Rainbow Bar and Grill. Or a couple of pints. Or 3 or 4 pints.
Peace out. nice. It's nice and small. Look at that big bed.
Oh, I'm well happy with that. It's a little living room.
Oh, I'm happy to get up there. I can't wait to get up in that little pool bar. Oh, and it's got a little fireplace.
But the screen's insects, but
Yeah, I thought that when we booked it. Oh, that's cool. Look at the Hollywood houses up in the hills. I literally feel like I'm in a film.
nice.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Oh, look at that red motor over there.
I'm happy, are you?
Yeah, and that motor down there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, decent.
Although there's loads of these little things and I feel like everything would cost a fortune if you touched it. There's some crisps and stuff here. I've just left the doors open.
Gentleman jack and all that.
I'll have to read into the things. Oh yeah, like miniature bottles of gin. Oh Fred, don't do that.
Oh, look how low that bath is.
That is low, you wouldn't be able to have a bath. Vintage little.
Dressing gown and slippers, look.
It's like a kid's little bath. Oh, have we? Oh, nice. Oh, and an iron or a steamer. Fred, fuck off! Fucking vile.
Look at that Marshall lamp over there and all. Here we are at the world famous the Viper Room and Sunset Boulevard. And there is the whiskey. Get in there.
Such tourists.
On it.
Been in there, babe, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been in there.
Right.
So there's any rock stars in here. Other than myself, of course. Seeing if I can see the Nakatomi Plaza again.
Is it in here? In there? trip to Trader Joe's. We was just saying this our first time.
This looks really healthy, isn't
Yeah,
it? Good tune though.
It is a bit
Bit of food poison.
Right, what are we looking for in here?
I don't think I'm going to get any cans in here, am I?
No, probably not. It's more of a... Because I wanted to have a look.
A vegan diet?
No. They've got some bits that I wanted to look for. Maybe getting on my nerves. They do,
Oh, look.
oh, here it is, what I wanted. Oh, what, the jerky? Turkey jerky. Buffalo.
I want to get some.
That's not a bad price, really, is it? For here?
No, it's quite expensive. It's quite expensive to get back in. Yeah, maybe they'll get one of the sticks.
$1.99 there. Jalapeno beef or turkey.
Little stick back in. What's that one?
Beef. This is what I wanted over here. Some seasoning.
After being awake, probably what, 24 hours at least?
Yeah, probably.
Time to unwind in the room with a can of my old favourite, PBR. I ain't had it the last couple of times I've been in America, and I don't, because I'm always trying new things, but I see this today and I thought, I still love you. I still need you. Ah, and that is ice cold as well.
Yeah. Just
Warm.
chilling on the giant bed. And we're tired now. Well, I'm tired.
Yeah, Donna will take you upstairs in a minute.
Yeah.
And then that is day one done.
I'm gonna have a shower quick and then nip up to the rooftop bar and see if I can see anything nice. Maybe a little catch of the sunset and then bedtime.